Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lekiso YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest videos. So in this video, you will know the best ways to keep employees happy. Now the most common problem of employees distance between home to workplace. So you should hire employees nearby. It is good for them and you also because mental state directly impact on work. So the following are the best ways to keep employees happy. The first one, understand their requirements and needs. Second one, know their problems and try to solve. Third one, appreciate them for good work. Fourth one, pay whatever they're worth. Fifth one, get together is good at weekends. The next one, give flexible working hours. The next one, give rewards. The next one, time to time meet up with them. The next one, provide them a friendly ambience. The last one is stop calculating everything. So that's all about some of the best ways to keep employees happy. So if you like our videos, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like our videos for latest technology videos. Thank you for visit. Have a nice day.